A bill that would make it mandatory for clergy here in Arizona to report child abuse to law enforcement has failed.
Senator Victoria Steele of Tucson sponsored the measure after learning some children in Cochise County were being abused by their father. The church clergy were aware of this abuse and never reported it to law enforcement, citing clergy privilege.
News 4 Tucson investigators have been on top of this story since the beginning, and News 4 Tucson's Lupita Murillo has an update.
This is the second time that Senator Steele introduces this bill, and she says she's had a lot of support for it.
I am not giving up. And again, I'm incredibly disappointed.
Senator Steele says Senator Nancy Barto, who heads the Health and Human Services Committee, told her the reason she was not going to hear it.
I don't think that the state should interfere in the confession. It would put a chilling effect on the confessional.
Senator Barto sent News 4 Tucson the following statement. Not being Catholic, I've had to think long and hard about the likely impact of SB 1008 on both victims and their abusers should it pass. I believe it would not actually solve the problem, as there is no evidence that forcing priests to disclose the contents of a confession would have prevented a case of child abuse. Furthermore, it could actually be detrimental rather than protective of crime victims, as removing this limited exception would be very likely result in perpetrators simply not bringing the matter to confession. Victims expecting confidentiality may also be chilled into silence, not receiving the much-needed help from police or a trained counselor. Father James Connell, a priest with the Archdiocese of Milwaukee, sent an email supporting the bill and disagrees the bill would have interfered with the church.
What kind of religion wants to protect criminals over protecting children? That has just got to change. We've got to move past that sense of our religion, my faith. No, our faith is about truth and justice and love. That has to be protecting children before we protect criminals.
Defense attorney Lynn Cadigan represents 3 children in Cochise County who were emotionally, physically, and sexually abused by their father. It was this case Senator Steele learned about that brought on the proposed legislation both times. Cadigan currently has a civil lawsuit against the Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints.
A legislator who's a parent, how can they not pass this bill? How can they not even hear it?
When a child tells you that they are being abused, you have a moral and a legal responsibility to report that, to protect the children.
Investigating for you, Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.